Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. This is Mahmoud Hassan and welcome to our new episode of our podcast. We haven't decided our podcast name. So when we will decide, we will announce the name. So that's not a big deal. And this is our fourth episode. And in our fourth episode, invited we have invited our honorable brother. He is from our batch. His name is Abdul Aziz. He will introduce him. Okay, Abdul Aziz brother, you introduce you very shortly.
Okay, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mahmoud Abdul Aziz. I am from Sylhet, but currently I live with Dhaka, and I am a student of English language. That's why all I will.
Okay, that was a quick introduction of our Abdul Aziz brother. So we will discuss about Abdul Aziz brother's journey and especially his study journey. Okay, because he is going to abroad and he is going to China to study for study purpose. So we will discuss about this matter. How and we will start from his childhood study. Okay, so brother, you start from your childhood study from 1 to 10. How was your day? Very shortly.
Mm,
Um,
uh, I am not. First of all, I am not good, very excellent student.
so loud.
I am a middle student. I am a middle good student, and then uh, I 1 to 5 years means 1 to 5 class. I studying in our village school, Richi Primary School, and then
Okay, we are discussing.
and then
No camera, yeah.
6 to 10, 6 to 8, I study in Richi High School, and then I come Sodor, and then I study 2 years, 9 to 10, technical background, technical department, and then this college, I completed my HSC.
Okay,
Our HSC batch 2020.
23. Okay, that's good. What was your SSC result?
I got a 4.45.
Open. That's good. That's good. Okay. And what was your HSC result?
SSC result.
HSC.
HSC result is 4.45.
And SSC?
SSC 3.71.
3.7. That's also good. So now we already know you are going to China
Yeah.
to study.
Yeah.
So when you think about this, when you have think about this, that I will go to China for study or anything, any other thing.
First of all, I think I was I goes to Bangladeshi universities, Bangladeshi private universities. Then my brother suddenly informed me one people stay here China. Then I study in China, and I'm studying now 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. It's this, and then I decided.
You are gathering information about study in China.
Yeah. And then I decided I will go China. That's all.
Why not other countries?
Because of China is affordable money. I am not very rich man. I am a Middle East family. That's why China is comfortable and learning is very. That's and
Okay. So what do you think about Chinese language? Chinese
Uh,
language, we know Chinese language is so hard.
yeah.
So what will your condition in China?
China. First of all, I will go China. Then university provided HSK for first 6 months. And
What is HSK for?
HSK4 is like of IGS, it's
Okay.
like of English
It's a in
proficiency.
English. This is a language
Proficiency.
training.
It's provided university. First
Okay.
6 months and just a necessary, just
Okay.
daily
Necessary language,
necessary.
daily necessary language.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is.
Okay, that's good. But you don't have to learn Chinese before going to China.
Yeah.
Like who want to go Japan, he has to complete on level or level 5 maybe
Yeah.
in Chinese language, and then he can go to China, not Chinese, Japanese
Okay.
language, and then he can go to Japan. Okay, so there is no mandatory thing to the learning Chinese language.
Not mandatory, and you know in China, I will go China, and before I will go, this is good China language
If you know China language before going to China,
yeah,
that's good.
that's good.
But it's not mandatory.
But it's not mandatory. I am applied for English medium.
Okay.
And I need just some necessary daily conversation Chinese language.
Yeah.
It's provided university. That's why not problem.
Okay. What subject will you study?
My favorite subject is computer science and technology. I also applied this subject, and university name is Nanjing University of Force and
From
Technology.
when we feel interested in computer science and engineering?
It's before HSC exam. Before HSC exam means before HSC exam 1 year.
Okay. 1 year ago.
Yeah, 1 year ago.
Of the SSC exam. Okay.
Yeah. I decided because of I interested learning computer. That's why I decided I I will go to university and I.
Okay. Why not any others engineering? Why not any medical? Any other things?
Medical.
There's also interesting things.
Yeah. This is
Why not
also
this thing?
this is interesting thing, but we are all people different, and that's why we are thinking is different.
Our different thinking also different.
Yeah. My thinking also different. I need my previous background is I am a electric department
Yes,
student.
you have to. You can choose electrical engineering also.
Yeah. But
And that also suitable. That can be suitable for you also.
Yeah. But my previous day I was a mobile application developer,
Okay.
and I was a programmer also, C programming, and that's why it's interests me, it forces me
Okay.
this way, and this.
Okay. How long your experience in programming?
This is 1 year or 1 year to 1.5 years.
Do you have any professional experience in programming?
Professional experience means I create one apps in our college. In our college, this is like of.
What work for today? What is the work this?
This is you can it's rules, maintains rules, and you can
Roll
go
calling.
college. You just fingerprint, then your
Data will be
attendance
entered. Attendance will be
send
entered.
database. This
Okay.
and then showing this phrase.
Okay.
Mobile
You
displays
all front end and back end all you develop,
Yeah,
or
yeah.
you have any partner?
No, I am also I am no,
So
I'm-
just only one
I'm
you.
single. Yeah.
Okay. And you didn't join any company or any other organization
No,
to
I
work
didn't.
professional?
Didn't join, and I am also passed in exam 2023. 2023 November our result is published, and now still 2024
24,
five 5 months.
Yeah, 6
continue.
months. Yeah, running.
Yeah. I don't now interested.
Okay, that's your interesting part, and
Yeah.
you will learn from computer science and engineering, and we wish the best for you. And you will graduate from China, and after graduation you will back Okay,
Yeah, yeah.
and that's a good thing. And now I want to know from you, who want to go China for study. Uh, what does he do?
Uh,
Because you, for example, I want to go to China. Okay, what have I have to do? What I have to do?
First of all, our country is available dalal.
Yes.
Available dalal. This
This is
situation
a
is
so
not
bad
good.
thing. Yeah.
This is situation not good. You can got SSC GPA 5, HSC GPA 5. You can apply any computer shop, computer working any, or something internet browsing. You also apply
Yeah.
this university site.
But
You have,
how I can explore?
uh,
What was your experience? How have you explored there?
I don't have good result. That's why I so searching,
Okay.
so much searching, and uh, I am got more than information. Then this type of information, one our village near uh, people, he is also going to China. He is
Okay.
studying computer science.
Okay.
I will go after saying
So
he is,
why are you didn't contact with him? How can I apply?
I didn't contact with him.
Why?
This,
You don't know him?
I,
Don't you know him?
I know him. I know him, but he is. I talking with him, and I also understand he is not good for me, and he is.
Just you
huge.
explore. You was exploring by just yourself
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
and
yeah.
only on.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, but and there is no guide for you.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
And after that, I also uh, another people found, and I say something that I interested learning into China. That's why please help me. Then I understand day by day he is not good person, and he is like a dalal, and he want to he want to I go China, and not like a very good university.
Okay. Just
It's
another
your
university.
wish. It's your wish. It's
Okay.
these people wish. This I understand, and then I cancel this. And our after that, after one people, two people check out hands, then I explore our our Parashtra Mantranalaya, our near brothers, religious brothers. He is Sachit for Parashtra Mantranalaya, and my brothers also my brothers also talk
With him.
talk with him about my studying purpose, and he helping, and then he all arranges things.
Okay.
And
Maybe he is a good person.
yeah, he is a good person, and he is a Parashtra Mantri. Parashtra Mantranalaya Sachit
Okay.
means he always other countries visited. China
Okay, okay.
visited, and other countries visited always.
Okay, so finally you just applied by yourself maybe.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
he just helped you.
Yeah.
Okay, but why not you choose any organization? Because in our country, I know there is so many organizations.
Yeah, yeah.
They help
100,
students to handle. Yeah,
yeah,
they
yeah.
help them to study in abroad.
Yeah, yeah.
Like, China, Malaysia, Dubai, UK,
Yeah,
many
yeah.
other countries.
This is available, but this countable is so 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 small because of uh, our country is available all robber
Yeah,
all
that
robber that some people
their
is
fee is so high. Like you wanted to say the, like this.
their fees so high and this is like a robber and he is thief. This thief and these thief under one people, two people, one
So
person,
isn't there
5%.
any authentic organization?
Authentic organization is available, like of Atlas is available.
Okay.
Our Production Mantralaya Sachiv is this is
That's
I
not.
also
I am talking about our some organizations.
yeah.
If I want to go abroad or
Yeah.
my younger brother or any others,
Yeah.
so can I suggest any organization? You know any organization like this?
Like this you got first of all you got very excellent result, you can apply for single. Just
Okay, I
single,
can apply myself.
myself.
There is no organization need.
Yeah.
Okay,
You
that's
can
good.
there is not mandatory.
Yeah.
You can just apply inshallah.
Yes, this is a thing. I know there is. We don't interested in work my work myself.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
We always try to work by another person.
Yeah.
But applying for a study or applying for any university or applying for any types of documentation, this is so easy, so easy.
Yeah.
But we don't know. That's why we think it's so
Robbery
hard.
is
Yeah.
this.
It's so hard, and
Yeah.
I think there is another thing. Most of the people who want to go abroad and who want to go abroad for study purpose or any other thing, they are not capable to search, and they are not capable to find any good source or find authentic source to apply, and how they can apply. Hey, they are just using smartphones and they are just using Facebook and YouTube. That's it. But they are not capable and they are not they don't know about how can I apply, and they don't search about this also. How can I apply? They always think about I will go to him and he will apply for me. But I can also apply because that is not his organization also.
Yeah.
He is like me. Okay. So if he can, why not I?
Yeah.
Okay, I also can, but there are so much people, and most of the students are not interested in this like of work. They are just dependent on any organization or any other people. But you work so well, you you have explored lonely, and you have explored yourself, and you just you have just taken some help from a big brother, like from you already told, and that's a good thing. I think. Okay, so what's your future plan after completing your graduation from China?
I will be now I will be computer
You will
engineer.
be computer science as a computer engineer after graduation.
Yeah.
We
And
will
then-
welcome you
Yeah.
as a computer engineer.
Yeah.
Okay. After that,
and then I like one picture in my mind.
okay.
This
What is
is
that?
I will be computer engineer. Then I go to journey in software engineering, and
Okay.
I build up in this Bangladesh. In this Bangladesh, so many companies, IT companies, inshallah.
Inshallah.
This is my plan.
Yeah.
I don't work in job. I don't
Okay.
found job. I am a. Inshallah, I can do it.
You will
Will,
create
entrepreneur.
employment.
Yeah.
Okay, you will create employment for our people.
Yeah.
Okay, that's a good thing, and you are thinking higher level.
Yeah.
Okay, we wish you for best. Okay,
Yeah.
and we know there are computer science engineering is divided by two. software engineering and hardware engineering.
Yeah.
So you will choose your software engineering.
Yeah.
Okay, and software engineering is hype running. Okay, and future world is just software engineering.
Yeah.
Okay, there are data science, artificial intelligence, robotics, all are software engineering.
Yeah.
But there are also little hardware engineering also, and electrical engineering also needed. But software engineering is most powerful things right now.
Yeah.
Okay, so you will choose the powerful things. So the best of luck for you.
Yeah.
So if you want to say something about our something to our audience, you can say, and we will finish our podcast today.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum. You know, my background, my other things. You think I can this, you jump this, and you courage your mind, and you hit your mind. I can do it. Inshallah, you can do it. Okay. Assalamu alaikum. Thanks for listening patiently.
Okay, thank you so much. That was our 4th episode, and we will welcome you tomorrow. Inshallah, we will come tomorrow. Inshallah again. And thank you so much. You comment and like. Okay, and you will suggest us a name for our podcast. We will appreciate you. Okay, thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.